If you can't pay your self-assessment tax bill in full, this video will show you how to set up an online payment plan known as a time-to-pay arrangement. Doing this online means you don't need to speak to us, and you can do it anytime. Before you set up a plan, think carefully about whether you could afford to pay all the tax you owe in full. If you can, you should, because you'll avoid paying interest. If not, let's get started. Go to gov.uk and search "If you cannot pay your tax bill on time" and choose Setting up a payment plan. Read the self-assessment section carefully. You'll see information about who can set up a plan online. If you can't, don't worry. You can call us to discuss your options. Before you pick up the phone, it's a good idea to watch the rest of this video, as the information you'll need is the same. If you're eligible, select the link to Set up a self-assessment payment plan online. Now sign in to HMRC online services. Once you've signed in, select Set up a payment plan. When you've read this page, select Start Now. You'll see how much tax you owe. For more information about your tax bill, choose Self-Assessment Statement and continue when you're ready. You'll now have the option to make an upfront payment. Do this if you can, as you'll reduce your monthly payments and interest. Make your selection and continue. If you're making an upfront payment, add the amount you can pay and continue. If you've made an upfront payment, you'll see it's been deducted from your remaining amount to pay. Your payment plan will cover your remaining balance. Now select Continue. Here, choose which day of the month you'd like to pay and continue. We'll check you're able to afford your monthly payments. You can find out how we work out your plan here. Continue when you're ready. Now we'll ask about your income and spending to help us understand your financial situation. When you're ready, select Add Income. There are examples under each category of income to help you fill it in. Enter all your amounts, then continue. You'll now see your income. Check this is right. If it's not, just go back and correct it. When you're ready, select Add Spending and enter the amount you spend each month across the categories shown. Keep in mind, if you split costs with other people, only enter your share. When you've filled in this section, select Continue. Here's how much you can afford. Check it's right. If you need to correct anything, go back and change it. At the bottom of this page, you'll see your leftover income. We expect you to pay half of your leftover income each month. Select Continue. If you can't pay your tax in full within 24 months, we can't set up a payment plan for you online, but we're still here to help discuss your payment options. Just give us a call. If you can pay in full within 24 months, you'll see your payment options listed. Remember, you'll pay more interest the longer you give yourself to pay. You can find out more about how we calculate interest charges here. Choose an option and select Continue. If you can't afford any of the payment options, then select this and you'll see information about how to contact us to get help. Now you'll see a summary of your payment plan. Check this carefully to make sure everything is correct. You can update any details by simply selecting Change. If you want to go ahead with the plan, select Agree and Continue. You're nearly there. Now enter information about your bank account and set up a direct debit. When setting up your direct debit, make sure it matches your bank account details. And now the last step. Read the terms and conditions. Select Agree and Continue if you want to go ahead. You'll see this page, which confirms your plan has been set up. We'll send you a letter to confirm your payment dates. We recommend taking a quick screenshot or photo of this page. On your bank statement, you'll see your payment reference. If you need to make any changes to your plan or your circumstances change, give us a call. For more information about paying your self-assessment tax bill, go to gov.uk.